Hi Conrad, so I'm Win from Digital Energy, and I'm sending you the video that I promised you I would so you can get more business. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize your website to be discovered more on Google, bring in more business, and create more revenue. So I'm not sure how much you're paying for Facebook ads. A lot of people pay anywhere from $50 to $100 a day, and of course that's quite a lot of money and it really adds up fast. So I'm going to show you how you can optimize your website, Conrad, in order to be found organically on Google for the people that are searching for landscaping here in Winston-Salem and the Triad. So the first thing that we're going to talk about is that I really like your website. If you did it yourself, you did a great job. I would almost say that it looks very professional. If you had an SEO company do it for you, well, they might have missed out on a lot of stuff, and we're going to talk about that now. So the first thing we're going to talk about is content. So to Google, content is king. And you want to have at least 1,500 words of content stuffed with keywords, which we're also going to talk about here in a moment. So let's go look and see how many words of content that you have on your home page. So you only have 361 words of content. Now let's go ahead and go look at another program I use. It's called Ahrefs, and it tells me a lot about a website. It is quite pricey. So let's go look at your keywords that you have right now that you're being ranked for on Google, because this makes the biggest impact on what you're being found for. So as you can see here with tree service in Winston-Salem, you're in the 20th position for that, and that's at least the second, if not third page of Google. And the numbers pretty much only get worse from there. Let's go back and let's go ahead and go look at your competitor. So I put in landscaping in Winston-Salem. This is actually the second person on the map pack, and I'm going to show you why here in a minute I chose them. So they have a pretty nice website, has a nice layout to it. I actually kind of like yours a lot better because they hardly have any content on here at all, and I'm pretty sure they would be really easy to beat and get you into the second spot on Google within just a few months. So let's go ahead and look at their information. So as you can see here, they have a little bit higher numbers. They definitely have more backlinks. All a backlink is where you have a link on someone else's website that transfers power from their website to your website, which in turn gives you more trust with Google. We can see they have 79 backlinks. I am willing to bet, though, that their 79 backlinks are not that good. They're probably what we in this industry call no-follow backlinks for the most part. And that means that the no-follow links, the backlinks, aren't transferring any power from that website to your website. And here's how I know this. Because if they had even 79 really good backlinks, these numbers would be higher. These numbers are their trust with Google. Their UR is their homepage number, and that's 16 out of 100. And their DR number is only 4.2, which is their entire website. Even if these 79 backlinks were great backlinks, their numbers would be much higher just from those few. Now we're going to go look at keywords. Now, we were talking about content a moment ago. So with the keywords, why it's important is because you want to have location-specific search terms that people are actually searching for. So that when they put in landscaping Winston-Salem, you are the first person they bring up. Now, what I would do if we ended up working together is I would be going through different people's websites, and I'd be finding the absolute best website with what we call the lowest keyword difficulty. So I'm looking for 1 to 3 keyword difficulties, which means you can rank for those very easily and very quickly. And so we begin to be found for as many keywords as possible. And the reason you want to have 1,500 words of content in your website is because you want to have one keyword for about every 100 to 150 words of content you have. We're also going to do a few other tricks like putting keywords behind pictures and things like that. The last thing that I want to talk to you about is going to be citations. And a citation is just your name, address, and phone number in different directories across the web. So Yellow Pages, Yelp, there's a lot of great general contracting websites that we can get your name, address, and phone number on. And that's really going to help you rank on the Google Map Pack. And the Google Map Pack is one of the easiest ways to get found on the first page of Google. So I would love to talk to you more, answer any questions that you have, find out more about your business, and see if we're a good fit for each other. As I say, I hope that you're having a wonderful day today, Conrad, and I really look forward to talking to you. Thank you so much for watching the video. I appreciate it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.